Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll be looking at a cubic equation for which we are given a complex root and we'll be trying to find its other two roots. So let's start. We know first we know that the equation that we're given is x cubed minus 8x squared plus 46x minus 68 is equals to 0, and the equation has a complex root of 3 plus 5y. Immediately using the complex conjugate root theorem, we know that the other root would be basically the complex conjugate of 3 plus 5y. And we know that the complex conjugate of 3 plus 5y is 3 minus 5y. Now we are only left with one root that we're supposed to find. So first we'll suppose the other root to be alpha. Now we'll basically be using a property of cubic equations to find the third root. So for any cubic equation of the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equals to 0, the product of all the three roots is always equal to minus d over a. So in this case, the product of the three roots would be 3 plus 5i multiplied by 3 minus 5i multiplied by alpha, and it should be equal to minus d over a. In this case, d is 68 and a is 1. So minus d over a in this case would be minus 68 over 1, which is basically equal to 68. Now we'll multiply the two complex conjugates with each other, 3 plus 5y and 3 minus 5y, and we can normally expand them just like we multiply two complex numbers, or we can like remember that for two complex conjugate pairs, their product is always equal to the square of the modulus of the complex number. So the modulus of the modulus of the square of the modulus of this complex number would be 3 square plus 5 square, which is basically 34. So 34, so the product of these two will be 34. So 34 times alpha is equals to 68. And from this, we can find alpha to be 2. So now we know one root from the question. We found the other root to be the complex conjugate and the third root to be alpha is equals to 2. So basically the three roots of the equation are 3 plus 5i, 3 minus 5i, and 2. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. See you all in the next lesson.